Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Kayenta local and long-distance movers near me. Stress is normal when you are relocating. Most people experience financial, physical, and mental stress. However, if you take the proper steps, you can reduce it to the barest minimum. There are a lot of things to get done and numerous steps to take. The first step you should take is to get the assistance of a professional moving company. You may want to conduct the move on your own or with help from friends and family, but without professional experience, a lot of things will go wrong. You don't have to stress about searching for the best movers to hire. 3 Movers is a competent and reliable moving company. We do not only provide support during the transportation of your belongings, we take charge of the entire relocation process from start to finish. We understand our clients' pain points, and our mission is to make our customers have a stress-free moving experience. We are competent and well-equipped to perform local and long-distance moves at cheap rates in Kayenta, AZ. Our moving services are detailed and will surely provide all your relocation needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Kayenta moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.